A follower of the Buddha gets no room from the Buddha's teachings to hurt, to torture, or to be unkind to anyone for any reason whatsoever. Therefore, the Buddha is a true exponent of non-violence by advising his disciples to follow love and compassion as the very first precept. There is no record of spilling even a drop of blood in the name of the Buddha in 2550 years of its history. He gave practical methods to overcome anger and hatred which brings violence. To inspire disciples, he gave strong messages. He advised them to be loving and compassionate in body, speech, and thoughts. Even if the world today follows this one advice of the Buddha, it would be a heavenly life for all on this very earth.
O disciples, even if robbers and murderers cut your limbs into parts with a saw, in that situation, if you allow anger to arise, then you would not be following my advice. You should train yourself thus. Undisturbed shall our mind remain. No evil word shall escape our lips. Friendly and full of sympathy shall we remain, with heart full of love, and free from any hidden malice, and that we radiate with loving thoughts, wide, deep, boundless, freed from anger and hatred. Whatever living creatures there be, without exception, weak or strong, long or huge, middle size, short, minute or bulky, whether visible or invisible, and those living far or near, and born and those yet to be born, may all beings be happy. Let none deceive or decry his fellow anywhere. Let none wish others harm in resentment or in hate. Just as with her own life, a mother protects her only child from hurt, so let him have a mind of boundless love for all beings. All are frightened of violence, all fear death. Putting oneself in the place of another, one should not kill, nor cause another to kill. One who, while himself seeking happiness, oppresses with violence other beings, who also desire happiness, will not attain happiness hereafter. I extend my loving kindness to such beings as serpents that have no feet. I extend my love to those beings with 2 feet, to beings with 4 feet, and to beings with many feet. May all beings, may all those possessing life, may all sentient beings experience happiness, and may no evil come to them. Just as I want to be happy, to be ever free from suffering, even so may all beings be happy, whether friendly, neutral, or hostile. May all beings living within the limits of our city and surrounding areas, within our district, our country, indeed in the whole world, may all beings be happy always. Whosoever offends an innocent person, pure and guiltless, his evil comes back on that fool like fine dust thrown against the wind. We should treat all people with respect and sincerity. We must be responsible for our actions and be careful while speaking to avoid harming others. Even if we traverse the whole wide world with our thoughts, one finds nothing more dearly than self. In the same way, others are dearer to themselves. Let a person who loves himself never harm another person. Conquer anger by love, evil by good. Conquer the miser with generosity and the liar by truth. Happy indeed we live, friendly among the hostile people. Among hostile people, we dwell free from hatred.
Sadhu, sadhu.